Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make large chocolate chip cookies, updated. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Use room temperature butter and eggs for creamier dough, and measure flour precisely using the spoon and level method. Fold in 12 ounces of chocolate chips and chill the dough for 30 minutes for thicker cookies. Scoop 4-ounce portions for large cookies and bake until edges are golden. Start by creaming butter and sugars until light, then add eggs one at a time for even incorporation. Stir in vanilla and alternate, adding dry ingredients to preserve air in the dough. Fold in 12 ounces of chocolate chips, gently so you keep pockets of chocolate. Chill the dough for 30 to 60 minutes to firm up fat, which helps the cookies stay thick and bake evenly with golden edges. Use a large scoop for 4-ounce dough balls to build big, bakery-style cookies at home. Space cookies well on the sheet so they spread without touching, and rotate the pan halfway for even color. Check for golden edges and slightly soft centers, then cool on the sheet a few minutes before moving to a rack to finish. This keeps them chewy inside and crisp at the edges for perfect results every batch.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.